thanks a lot, Ronnie, for your introduction, and welcome everyone, and thanks a lot for coming to see this presentation, where I'm going to talk about performance analysis for deep learning software implementation on embedded devices. Or, in another way, how to give a meaning to our performance numbers in a deep learning scenario. So let's start to see the contents for this talk. In the first part of this presentation, I'm going to introduce the performance analysis problem for deep learning. In particular, I'm going to present the goals that we like to achieve with this presentation, along with a few matrices which will be used later on when I'm going to introduce a formal methodology for performance analysis. In particular, in the second and the third part of this talk, I'm going to introduce the top-down approach, which can be used to locate performance bottlenecks and also fix potential inefficiencies in our deep learning architecture. Of course, the topic is pretty big and maybe cannot fit as well in 1 hour presentation. I'll have and also maybe I'm going to simplify a few concepts. However, at the end of this presentation, you should have the fundamentals to carry out also even more complicated performance analysis for your specific processor type.